Today we take you on the lake to show you the interior design of the Houseboat Yacht 70. Hi everyone and welcome to SolarYacht. We are all about living and sharing a sustainable, luxurious yacht life, exploring lakes, lagoons and rivers, all powered by the sun.
Floating on the water.
Hi everyone, I'm Mariana and we are on a Houseboat Yacht 70. Take a look inside. Welcome inside the Houseboat Yacht 70. We used gray colors on this project. We have a fireplace, so this boat is also used during winter time. A pretty comfortable sofa. And what I love the most is this kitchen. Check it out. So the family or the friends enjoy a meal here. It's really a complete kitchen. Dishwasher, an electric oven, refrigerator. Pretty modern and beautiful. What do you think? The Houseboat Yacht is designed like a luxury solar-powered super yacht for lakes and rivers, providing luxury and comfort like a modern smart home on the water. So this client wanted a office area. So he has now this desk. He works from here on the weekends. Take a look inside the bathroom. Big mirror, gray colors. Storage space and a shower with a view. And here we have the master bedroom with this huge bed. Take a look at this.
The view is so fine. Luxurious living. View is so fine. Luxurious living. This life is all mine. From party to sun, drinks in my hand. Dancing on the deck to the beat command. The waves below us as we move along.
Hope you enjoyed this episode and room tour on board the SolarYacht 70. Follow us to discover more beautiful SolarYacht interior designs that create a unique lifestyle on the water like any other yacht.